Welcome po sa Martesem. Ano to, Chalas po. Waiter po ng Martesem.
Welcome po sa Martesem.
Sir, ano po yung mga dala nyo?
Ito po, mga bestseller po natin. Lechong kawali, and crab and corn soup, Bicol Express, and lumpiang Shanghai. Tapos, ampalaya con carne, and buttered chicken.
Sir, ano po pangalan nyo, boss?
Henry po.
Henry. Ito, sir, sino to?
Jerome po.
Jerome. Ayun mo kayo. Ano po yan, sir?
Banana split po. Saka
Ice cream.
ice cream sandwich.
Sir, sabi mo kayo sa mga kaibigan. Thank you, sir.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Zach from Martesem. I'm here to show you the rates of our resort. So we have two types of rooms, deluxe room and suite rooms. Sa suite rooms po natin, we have three options. Room suite M1, M2 until M3, ito yung mga family rooms natin. And then we have barkada rooms, yun yung mga deluxe rooms po natin near the swimming pool. And yung range po natin is from 5,000 to 9,000 pesos. We have one exclusive room with jacuzzi. This is M4. This is located in the Mountain View. And also we have some amenities po sa resort like bar, cafe, we have restaurant. We also have the newest amenity, which is the playground for kids. We also have pool for kids and adult. We also have fish feeding lagoon, horseback riding, and ATV. So for those who are interested po for outdoor activity, we have campsite. We also have hammock and tree camping sa amin pong campsite. So yun po, please visit us in Marquezan. We have full Filipino restaurant and soon we'll launch our restaurant in front of Marquezan, which is our Al Fresco Coffee Lounge. Thank you.
Ay, maraming brother. Welcome po sa market.
On the play here.
Ito po pala yung Sunday and yung leche plan. Guys, order na po sila. Punta na po sila sa Marquezan.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome po.
Ice cream sundae po. From Marquezan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for coming. Hope to see you.